In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Link audio not working. If your stream sounds too quiet, distorted, or your microphone isn't coming through on Steam Link, the fix usually lives inside Steam's own audio settings. Steam Link mirrors these settings from your PC, so once you set them correctly here, your streaming audio and mic will follow. Start on your Steam home screen on the computer that hosts your games. With Steam open, look toward the very top left of the window and click the Steam icon. That opens the main menu where you control global preferences. From here, we'll go straight into the place that manages the audio that Steam and Steam Link use. Choose Settings from the menu to open Steam's Preferences window. On the left, you'll see categories. Select Voice. This is where you'll choose the microphone you want Steam to use and verify it's actually being heard. In the microphone section, pick the correct device from the drop-down. This should match the mic or headset you plan to use while streaming. Now run the built-in microphone test. Speak in a normal, steady voice and watch the input meter. You want to see clear movement that tracks your speech without spiking constantly. If the meter doesn't move at all, switch to another device in the list until it does. If you hear crackling or your voice sounds muffled in the test, that's a sign the level is off and needs a quick tweak. Next, adjust the gains for both input and output. Input gain controls how loud your microphone is to games and voice chat through Steam. Output gain controls how loud Steam's audio is on your streaming device. For input, raise the slider until your normal speaking voice peaks in the healthy range. Strong activity on the meter, but not slamming into the top. If the meter goes red or your test playback sounds harsh, pull the slider back to avoid clipping. For output, increase it if the stream is too quiet on your TV, tablet, or phone, and lower it if you notice distortion or if the volume is overwhelming. Aim for a balanced level where game audio and voice are both clear without background hiss. That's it. With the correct microphone selected, the test confirming movement on the meter, and sensible input and output gains, Steam Link will use these exact settings the next time you stream. Enjoy clear game audio and a microphone that just works. If you ever change devices, revisit this voice page and repeat the quick test to keep everything sounding great.